Hello and welcome you all, dear friends. This is Naveen Shekhawat. Friends, this is the first video that I am going to shoot today. Is going to be the refreshing video in this crucial time. It will be all about the English literature. You can take it for your competitive exam like NET and SET and other exams, or you can take it as for your knowledge. So this is the first video, and in this very first video I am going to describe a particular time, the time when there was archery, and that archery as a game was compulsory. This was the time when time of revolts, this was the time of punishments, this was the time of fairy tales, this was the time of, you can say, uh, harsh court procedures. So this is the basic, time when court procedures were, in the harsh condition. Like the accuser or the culprit had to face the ordeal basically, and there were three ordeals: ordeal by water, ordeal by fire, and ordeal by combat. If we talk about the ordeal by combat, then combat in this particular ordeal, the culprit had to face, or the culprit had to fight with more healthier person than the culprit himself, and after the fight whoever wins was the right person, and the other loser one had to face the sentence of death. So they had no proper rights at that time. Basically the peasant society or the slave society, we can say. So this was the time, as I told you about, the judicial procedures were not fair, and this was the time when Roger Bacon made the prediction that in future we will be having cars, aeroplanes. Even he said that we will be having submarines in future. So this is true in this time, and we are enjoying such vehicles in this particular time. So guys, this is the time I talked about the archery, the judicial system, the revolts, wars. So it is full of these, issues. So this time I'm not going like this time is nothing else, but this time is Middle English period, or the medieval period of English history. So this particular period, the time span of, we can say, it prolonged from 1066 to 15th century, or we can say from Norman conquest to Renaissance. So friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Middle English period. Time span is 1066 to 15th century. After the Norman conquest, the William the Conqueror was the king, and he started ruling over there. Then what was the language scenario? That Normans were habitual of French, and they also imposed the French language there in the England. And basically what happened, that French language was becoming the dominant language at that time, and it is considered the standard language of the time of that time. So French language was dominating at that time, and the aristocratic society, basically aristocratic people जो थे, they were enjoying, they were following this only language, and they were, in the habit of enjoying the literature written in the French language. If we talk particularly about the society, as I told about the aristocratic people, that they were following the French language, then the society is categorized into basically three parts. First one is aristocratic society, second one is episcopacy, and third one is basic, that is peasants, and the serfs we can say. So let us talk about the each society one by one. First one is aristocratic. Under aristocratic society, this was considered the upper class basically, and under this society, kings were there, barons were there, and knights and squires were there. So in this category, kings were there. It is considered that kings are directly in the connection with God, that they follow the order of the God directly, and God gives the order to the kings, and they had connection between them. So the other people of that society think that we have to follow, or we had to follow the king only, because king is directly ordered by God. So this was the condition, and this is known as the divine rule. Divine rule, or we can say this is also known as the divine right theory. Then we have second one, barons. Barons support kings at that time. ये support करते थे kings का. And then we have knights. Knights had to do the fights at that particular time whenever there was danger on the kingdom of the particular area. So knights were there, and squires were under the knights. Their work is also like knights, but they were under the knights. So we have kings, barons, knights, and squires. Then the second society here we have is episcopacy. Under episcopacy we have clergy society. Clergy were also divided into high and low. High clergy were basically whom those are leaders of the church at that time. They were categorized in the high clergy society, and other remainings were the low clergies. So this is about the episcopacy society. It considers clergy. And third one is we having peasants or the serfs. So third one is the society, that is peasants. Peasants were in the poor condition at that time. They had to follow the upper society or the upper class of that particular society. So they were basically following the rule that was imposed by upper society or upper class, and it was the mindset, like they had this thought in their mind that if they pay more to the church, then they would be in the heaven. जितना ज्यादा पे करेंगे वो, उतना ही उनको इजी वे मिलेगा कहां जाने का, हेवन में जाने का. ठीक है, तो ये चीजें इनके ऊपर इम्पोज की गई थी, इनके माइंड में क्रिएट की गई थी, थोपी गई थी, जिससे ये पे करते थे चर्च को. जितना ज्यादा ये पे करेंगे चर्च को, उतना ही इनको इजी होएगा किसमें जाने में, कहां पे, हेवन में. तो ये बेसिकली सोच थी इनकी. इसलिए ये इनकी जो कंडीशन थी, दैट वाज poor condition, and they were in the harsh condition at that time. So this is about the society of that particular time. Gradually the society changes, language changes, and the other things also changed at that particular time. In the early ages the different situation was there, and after some time the different situation were there, like English replaced this particular language, this French language, from the courts and from the schools. So this was replaced, the language French was replaced, and we will be discussing in the next videos that how English gradually replaced this language French from the courts and other places, and how English became the dominant language from that particular point of time. So this is all about the society, and in the next coming videos I will be discussing over the literature of this the genre which emerged in this particular period, and the other scenarios like language change, literature change, genres particularly that were emerged, and revolts, about the wars, about epidemics, famines. We will be discussing all things in the next upcoming videos. आई होप ये आपको अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा. बाय देन, थैंक यू वेरी मच.